guys, welcome to our room. So I'm going to give you a quick whiz around and show you inside. So this is a deluxe pool suite at the Kalima Resort Villas. So very spacious inside. You've got a little sort of dressing area here. The room's split into two sections. So on this section you've got your large super king, I would say, size bed. They do leave you a little box with some cakes in when you arrive. I'll show you inside. Some little local cakes, which is really cute of them. And then if you're anything like ourselves, we've got a child with us as well. So this bed down here on the bottom level will be made up into a bed also. So if obviously there's just two of you, that can remain as a sofa. Whereas if there is three of you, that will be made into a bed. So these rooms overlook the river. So I'll show you outside. So it is raining today, unfortunately. So you've got your river straight opposite, and then this is your private pool area. So you've got a couple of chairs, a table, and it's 1.3 metres deep. So it's pretty private from the sides. It's just obviously opposite the river. But if we head back in, I'll show you the last parts. So it seems quite typical in Thailand to give you a beach bag in the room. So it's not one that you take away with you. You just use it while you're in a hotel, but it's a really great option to have. So we've got slippers. We've also got some pool shoes included. Obviously, again, they're just to use in the hotel. We've got dressing gowns, umbrellas, because they are definitely needed this time of year. There's also a torch, because it can get quite dark on an evening. You can do some laundry here as well. You've got a safe, and in here is the hairdryer. And if we flip around, this is your mini bar area. So we've got a coffee machine. We've got, let's have a look, that's just some more storage space. But then in here is a mini fridge. So the water's included, but everything else is chargeable, but really, really reasonable. So I've just had a little look and the prices. So a beer is 100 baht, so sort of just over £2. Soft drinks are 70, so a Coke or Sprite. And there's also a Red Bull in there, which is 150. So really, really reasonable prices. And then this is the bathroom. You've got a large bath. You've got your shower area, which does have shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. You get some little toiletries if needed. So you've got a toothbrush, cotton buds, shower caps, and there's some body lotion next to the sink as well. But all in all, we seem very happy with this room type. So would thoroughly recommend. Obviously, the biggest plus point is having your own private pool. So I'm sure that will come in handy on an evening. Just to mention as well, actually, you get your pool towels in the room. So pool towels, and these are changed by the cleaner. So you just bring them back and she puts some clean ones in the room. I think that's everything you need to know. So bye.